3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ intersection find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is a natural, this is in the form of roster set builder form. We should convert to roster form or elements form. So x is a natural number. That means whatever we take the sets, that natural number should be multiple of 3. Natural numbers collect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x elements ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So that is, I'll write here set A equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, etc. Because there is no end point. Natural numbers na multiply 3 ಇಂದ ಆಗುವಂತದನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I'll write this. This is in the roster method. Now set B, x value, x should be natural number, okay, but that natural number, how many natural number we should collect means here less than 6. So less than 6 we should collect the natural number. What are the values there lower than 6? That natural numbers we write in the set B. That is 1 2 3 4 5. These all are less than 6, right? So these are lower value than 6, right? That's why I collect this one up to 5. So now compare into the each set A and B. In this both set, which is the common element, that is the intersection of two sets A and B, right? So which is the common A, if you take A intersection B, which is the common? 3 is only element of common. So that's why I write here, this is the value of A intersection B. Over. Next to take fourth one. Write the fourth question. What is that? Set A equal to x such that x is a natural number. Is a natural number. Natural number, and they given condition also, end point and end points of in between the x, close the bracket, and set B also given x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number, and they were given condition also to this, that is 6 less than x but less than is 10. Let's find out the value, convert these sets into the, what's that, elements form. Take solution. Set A equal to, what are the elements? So x elements, x value, x element should be natural numbers. Here we should collect the natural number, and that end elements also given. That elements are, x elements are lies between 1 to 6. Lies between 1 to 6. That means x is greater than 1. X element, what we collect the elements x place, that x value, that x element should be greater than 1. So now this is the starting point. So ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ x ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. We don't consider 1 because here they given only less than. Less than means we should collect one after or one before. 1 and ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ higher than 1 ಅದು ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈ 6 ಅನ್ನು ಸಹ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here 1 is less than x. That means x value should be greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 2. 2 is the greater than 1, right? In place of we substitute 2, 2 is the greater than 1, right? And ಈ ತರ 1 ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ವರೆಗೂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 6 x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 4 3 4 5 ವರೆಗೂ but they given here equal also. So that means we should collect higher than 2, higher than 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೈಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 6 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. But we don't take 1 after, which is the highest value than 1, 2, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, up to how much we take? Up to 6. Up to 6 we should collect the natural numbers. Understood na? This x value, x elements lies between 1 to 6. That means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all elements are greater than 1 but less than or equal to 6, right? 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 1, 5 is also greater than, 6 is less than or equal to, x is equal to 6, right? This is the value of A. Next, set B also convert to element form. X is a natural number. Here also x value should be, x element should be natural number, and that natural numbers lies between 6 to 10. 6 to 10. X is only less than given. That means x value should be greater than 6. Greater than 6 means 7, no? 6 gina highest value 7 alva. And that x value greater than 7 but less than 10. Andre 10 before agi barbeku, 10 gina kadime values ತಗೋಬೇಕು, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 10 ವರೆಗೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 10 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವರೆಗೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 10. ಸೊ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಗಿನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 6 ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 10 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. So that means 7 is the greater than 6 but less than 10, right? Next 8. Yes, 8 is also a greater than 6 but less than 10. Next 9. 9 is also a greater than 6 but less than 10. Next 10, we don't take 10 because they given here equal, only less than given. That's why we stop to here. So 7, 8, 9, these elements are x value and this value is greater than 6 but less than 10. 6ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 10ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ values ನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now take the intersection to both sets. So which is the common element in these two sets? Which is the common element for these two sets? So there is no any common element in between these two sets, right? Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7, 8, 9. There is no nothing element is common in these two. There is no anything common element means that is the null set. 5 is the answer. Understood now? If union means we write both the sets element, but this is an intersection. In intersection we collect same elements in both the sets, but there is no any element, any common element in these two sets. All elements are different. For that there is nothing same elements means null set. What? And the fifth one. Question is, last fifth one is set A equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B equal to null set. Take intersection to both these sets. So if we solution, set A equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B equal to null set. If we take intersection on these two, null set illide but illi null set illa. So ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು as usual write null A intersection B is equal to null set because there is no any common element in these both set. So there is no any element means any common element means we should write the null set. And next main is sixth main. Take the problem sixth main. If A equal to sixth main, if A equal to, what's the points? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and set B equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 and set C equal to 11, 13, 50 and D equal to 15 and 17. Then find out first one is A intersection B, second one B intersection C and third one A intersection C intersection D. Fourth one A intersection C. Fifth B intersection D. Sixth A intersection B union C. And seventh one A intersection D. And eighth one A intersection B union D. And ninth one A intersection B intersection B union C. And last 10th problem A union D intersection B union C. Let's solve these all problems. What is the given in the first one? A intersection C. So first write given for this. What is the given? A. ಎರಡು set the elements collect ಮಾಡಿ 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and B value and B equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. So take intersection on these two sets. So which is the common element in these two sets? 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. So intersection means we take common element in both the sets 7, 9, 11. This is the solution. Over. Let's take another one. B intersection D. B intersection C. Wait. A intersection B, write this one. Sorry. A intersection B value. Right here B. A equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 and B equal to this. If we do the intersection on both sides, we get 7, 9, 11. So now another one is, second one is, what's that? B intersection C. So rub the intersection of B and C equal to, what is the C elements? 11, 13, 15. So take intersection on these two sets B and C, and which is the common element in these two? 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Both these are common element. 11 and 13. This is the B intersection of C solution. So elements. So third one also do like this. I am doing here. Observe. What's that? A intersection C intersection D. Solution. Take A elements value 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and C intersection value 11, 13, 15 and D equal to, we should take three sets A, C, D and D equal to D value 15 and 17. Now take that. First do the intersection of these two sets A intersection C. A intersection C. What is the common element in both A and C? 11. 11 is only the common element, right? A intersection C equal to, what's that? 11. Only one element is common in these two sets. Next, write here D element 15, 17. 15, 17. So A intersection C. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ A intersection C ಇಂದ intersection of D ಮಾಡಿ A intersection C intersection D. ಸೊ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 11. A intersection C value 11, D equal to 15. There is no any common in these two sets. So that's why any not there any common element means that is null set. So first we did the intersection of both A and C. We get 11 and now A intersection C ge matte intersection of D ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. A intersection equal to 11 and D equal to 15, 17. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಈ intersection ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ A intersection C intersection D ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು null set. Let's another one, fourth one. A intersection C. A intersection C. What is the A value? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and C equal to 11, 13, 15. So A intersection C equal to, which is the common element in both the set? 11 only the common element, that is the intersection value. And take fifth one. Which is the fifth one, B intersection D. So what is the given for this? B equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 and D equal to, what's that? 15, 17. So is there any common element in these two sets? No. No means it is also a null set. The intersection of B intersection D equal to null set, because there is no any element between these two.